y'all? It's your boy Ojilla the Trapper back again with another video. Drippingoat Kennels. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Hey, remember, your vision is your vision. Stay grinding, stay focused, and stay doing your thing. Hey, let's get to this video right now. Let's get it. Also, drop your name in the comments, your kennel name in the comments, and I'll shout you out. Hey, blow my notifications up, y'all. Make sure you tap in too with that Drippingoat oil for men, women, ladies. You can even use it on your pets. Hey, the product speaks for itself. I'm looking for brand ambassadors as well. So if you're interested in this product, make sure you tap in with me and hit us up on Instagram at Drippingoat Kennels.
Oh no, you. Shit, I'm looking at my goddamn thing. You talking about don't your chatting on motherfucking hole, don't follow me. Shit, man, I'm trying to run 30K today. Hey, you talking about that? Who follow me? Shit.
What up, y'all? Drippingoat Kennels. We out here in Kokomo, Indiana. Just dropped off this beautiful boy right here. My man Freddie, he just picked him up. What you thinking of this boy right here, man?
Oh, he's beautiful. You already know. We finna get it.
He getting them clean, man. He gotta get used to his environment.
Mm-hmm.
But he getting them cleaned up and stuff from the ride. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Nice, healthy boy.
Yes. Yeah.
Going crazy. He done got him a collar already and everything.
Oh yeah. You had to. You had to. You already know.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out your barbershop.
Oh man, shout out to man, Freddie's All Nations Barbershop, Kokomo, Indiana. You know what I mean? Part 2 coming soon. Hey, y'all be looking out for us, bro. We gonna have some more dogs.
What's the address? In case they in Kokomo, man. They can slide
117 Sycamore Street, Kokomo, Indiana.
Bet them up, bet them up. Y'all see it, y'all, man. We traveling, man. Y'all seen us. We just came from Chicago, and then we from Wisconsin to Chicago, and then from Chicago to Indiana.
Hey, hello, baby.
Look at him. He want to represent his Bucks hat. He's a fellow Wisconsinier. You know. It's my cuz right here too. What up, Doe?
Finally met.
That's the first time I meet my cousin, man. He out here. He from the land. It's the first time me and him bumping to each other, man. It's always good to meet him, touching bases with him and shit, man. Everything going. They showing me love out here. We finna get to it. We finna kick it. You know, get the pup ready and move around a little bit. Yeah, he acting shy. He was not this shy, boy.
Yeah,
He was not this shy.
I made him go outside, use the bathroom, everything.
Yeah, he use it?
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, he used. But he want to check.
Yeah.
He want to hide, just sit. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
But when we outside, he kind of loosened up a little bit.
Your baby girl finna go crazy, ain't she?
Yes. Yes.
Finna go crazy for him.
They gonna fall in love.
Yeah, man, we're gonna miss you, big boy.
Is he cool?
Got a good home, though. You good. You in good hands.
Cool. Come here.
All right, y'all, we gonna wrap this video up. We moving around a little bit. Just want to show y'all what we had going on. Okay, look at that chest. He's showing that motherfucking chest. Yes, sir. Big chest. He ain't even popped yet, bro.
No.
You see the tri-trundle markings?
I'm looking.
Blue. You know what I'm saying? Looking good. He thick. He ain't gonna get no taller. He only gonna get bigger, man. You see the feet?
He put on all the colors.
Yeah. He gonna do his
All the
thing.
colors.
He's 7 months, man. 7 months in a few weeks. That's it. Let's get it. What up, y'all? Drippingoat Kennels tapping in with y'all, man. We got this lovely Merle boy right here. Ice cream man, son. Mr. 31 Flavors. about about 9 weeks. 9 weeks old. Mr. 31 Flavor Son. Merle boy, thick, boned up. You can kind of see his, I don't know, you look close, you can see his tri points trying to come in and stuff. He got a whole bunch of drive though, as y'all can see. He the bully of the block. Out the litter, look at him, uh-oh. But yeah, man, this a male right here. If anyone interested, looking, y'all make sure y'all tap in, hit me up. It's a beautiful boy, making stuff for anyone's yard. Look at him. Especially once he get his fade, he got the big dome, bone, full of color, big chest. Look at him. Look how he move around, full of drive, micro bully. Just to let y'all know, these are not pit bulls. These ain't pit bull prices either, you know? So you interested, tap in, hit me up. It's a male, ice cream man son, Merle. Mr. Big meets Giagi, beef, and baked blood. Right there. Tap in for the win. Tap in for the win. Y'all see it. All right. We got this lilac girl right here. Beautiful lilac girl. Ice cream man daughter. As y'all can see, look at her. Got the bone as well. She was the runt. She was the smallest one out the litter. She was the smallest one out the litter. Very active, full of drive. Good structure, bone, dome. Nice rear. Lilac girl, she's definitely gonna be a producer. She has the bloodline to speak for it. Mr. Big, Giagi, beef, bait, plenty good blood. Beautiful, beautiful girl right here. Lilac girl, female. She's available if you're looking. Nice foundational female. She got the, man, she got that look. You see it? She's just beautiful. She got the bone. See the bone right there? Nice top line. You want to add color to your camp? She got them blue eyes. This girl's beautiful. She got a great drive. Look at her. Good personality. Right there, y'all. You need a foundational female for your program. You want to get some of that ice cream man blood in there? There it go right there. There it go right there. She got her first shots been dewormed already. Tap in for the win so we both can win. Let's get it. Here it go right here, y'all. Y'all see it. Ice cream man son. Lilac Tribe Merle. Full tail. Oh, it's the first time being on the table like that. Been working with him a little bit, but you know, he doing his thing. Lilac Tribe Merle, Ice Cream Man son. Full tail. Y'all can see he got the bone, everything, the structure comes with it. He's available. If you're interested, hit me up. I was gonna keep this boy, but hey, I'm gonna bless somebody. Right here. All the color you need, all the structure you need. It's gonna be a bad man right here. If you sleep on him, if you snooze, you definitely lose. Tap in for the win so we both can win. Let's get it.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike Diego, man. Come on, stop playing with me, man. Touchdown in the Midwest and grab the whole bowl for you. Yeah, it's the ice cream man, Mr. 31 Flavors. You need to tap in and get your ice cream right. That's what I'm talking about. You want to paint your yard? You can paint your yard today. Tap in, lock in, stop playing. This a real bull. Y'all see me talk about him before, but now I got my hands on him. I can feel the muscle. I can feel the bull neck. I can feel the girth. I can feel the head. I can feel it all, baby. Because this is the ice cream man, and we ain't playing no games. Let's go.
Let's go. 31 Flavors.
I'm getting shooting to the green, my whole team hungry. He did his dirt and fled the scene, now niggas me mugging. Ain't show loyalty to me, he lying, he ain't frontin'. I'm getting closer to this money, I'm gon' keep running. Look me in my eyes, all you see is pain. Even if I'm not her boyfriend, she still gon' say my name. We up in the jungle, it's survival in the rain. And I lost a couple soldiers, but I'm still trying to maintain. I'ma prove to my city that I'm chosen, and I don't show no pity like the Rosen. Can't wait to tell my jeweler what I wanted. Wrist look like Antarctica, boys frozen. Watch out for them block boys. Heard they keep them Glocks, boy. Keep going, never stop, boy. We gon' reach the top, boy. Streets hurting, pockets empty, how it feel to be rich. If I'm dying, will you hear me, though we still opposites. Anything can turn you greedy, how your pockets sitting. Shattered dreams, lost hope, how a nigga living. God protect me from my friends, because my enemies I can handle. Shout out to all my friends.